YouTube. He probably finna blow the damn building up. He probably finna blow the building up. Hey, that look like the army, man, the military or something. Look at this green, man. Look, that look like the military. Nah, that ain't the dude. Channel 5, them got they letter on they shit on the side of they shit. Yeah. And 19 is only 2 news stations in here got new helicopters. That's Channel 5 and 19.
It's some type of motherfucking news crew.
Man, there's some shit going on.
They report some shit over here. They report all this shit over here.
Look, that's the military, man. Like the United States military, dude. That Jade Helm shit. Oh, they right behind us too. Look. I ain't scared of them motherfuckers. Don't get too much action back here, G. So I gotta record what I can record. Yeah, it look like the military is in my backyard, everybody. Jade Helm in effect. I repeat, Jade Helm in effect. There go the United States military. Look, that's state patrol up there, G. That's the police. Man, the news people don't do no shit like that.
Yeah, I bet you, they got a camera in that bitch. They got a camera in that motherfucker. I can see the lens from here, look. I believe they gonna put houses down here because it's like a landfill.
Jade Helm in Cleveland, y'all. It's coming. Federal government is coming. I just want to put this on YouTube, let y'all know. You see it right here. I'm in Cleveland, Ohio. That's what they doing. Here they come. Soldiers coming out, jumping out the helicopter. Yeah.